class. Today we're going to be learning about the mean value theorem, MVT for short. So to get you guys all pumped up, we're going to do a little cheer. You guys ready? Yeah. Alright, here we go. Give me an M. You got your N, you got your N, give me a V. V. You got your V, you got your V, give me a T. T. You got your T, you got your T, and what's that spell? MVT, mean value theorem. Yeah. Cut. Class, to start the problem, you have f of x equals 10 minus 2x. Wait, now we gotta learn how to do the problem.
I don't do math.
But damn, math can be fun.
I don't understand math, so it's not fun.
Let me tell you a story.
Why are you still filming her when she was talking?
Alright, that's fine. Class, this looks like a difficult problem, but we're going to ask our star student Gabby to come up here and explain it for us.
Go.
The formula for the mean value theorem is the integral of f of x, and this is our f of x, equals f of c. So for that, all you have to do is plug c in for f of x, times b minus a. B is usually the bigger number, and a is usually the smaller number. So here, 3 would be b, and a is 0. So, starting from the left to the right, the first thing that you have to do is take the antiderivative of f of x. So, b, which is 3, a, which is 0, of 10 minus 2 to the x, and since we're taking the integral, after you have to put dx, equals, this is like saying 10 times x to the 0 power. So to take the antiderivative, you have to add 1 to the exponent and divide by that number. So 0 plus 1 is 1, divided by 1 is just 10. So you have 10x. Now, when you have x as an exponent, all you have to do is rewrite this and divide it by the natural log of your base. So you have 10x minus 2 to the x power over natural log of 2. And to show that we took the integral, you put a bar here, put b on the top, a on the bottom. So 3 over 0. Now, what you have to do next is plug in 3, then plug in 0 and subtract. So what you have to do is plug in 3, so 10 times 3 minus 2 to the 3rd power over natural log of 2. And you get out my calculator, 18.46 minus, when you plug in 0, you get 1.44, or negative 1.44. Now, since you're subtracting a negative, these just turn into positives, and you get 19.90. So now this is the integral of f of x. So on the left side, we have 19.90 equals f of c. So now all you have to do for f of c is plug in c where the x's usually go. So you have 10 minus 2 to the c power times b minus a. 3 minus 0 is just 3. Now what you can do next to solve for c is divide 3 on both sides. You get 6.63 equals 10 minus 2 to the c power. Now what you do here is subtract 10, and you get negative 3.37 equals negative 2 to the c power. Since you have negatives on both sides, you can just ignore them and make them positive. So, I'll move it up here. 2 to the c power equals 3.37. Now, what you have to do, since you have a variable as your exponent, is change the form. So you have log base 2 of 3.37 equals c. Now to solve for C, what you can do is you can take the log of the top divided by the log of your base, and you get C. So C would equal the log of 3.37 over the log of 2, and you would get 1.75. And that is the correct answer, class. Great job, Gabby.